Hi, I'm Rachel Roberts, Senior Quality Manager, Assessment and Development Quality at City & Guilds. Moderation is a quality assurance process to check that marking is consistent and reliable across centres. It takes place after the deadline for the submission of marks and evidence for the synoptic practical assessment, which is likely to be the end of May. Once the synoptic practical assessment has been completed by learners and marked by centre assessors, the centre will submit both learner marks and evidence to City & Guilds. The moderator, who's a kind of external examiner, will then scrutinise the marks of the whole cohort from the centre and select a sample of learners' work to remark or moderate. As the moderator is trained by City & Guilds to mark to a specific standard, the marks that the moderator gives for this sample will indicate whether the centre marking is aligned. The sample size used for moderation will depend on the size of the cohort at the centre. With small cohorts, the moderator may review the marks and evidence for all the learners. For larger groups, it could be a sample of up to about 15 learners. If the marks for the sample are within tolerance, the centre marks for the whole cohort are approved. Where centres are marking to a more severe or lenient standard, the centre's marks may be adjusted to bring them into alignment with other centres, always maintaining the same rank order. Where the centre marking does not match the national standard, but there's not a clear, fair adjustment that can be made, a remark of the whole cohort may be required. Especially in the first few years, it's quite possible that centres' marks will need to be adjusted to bring them in line with the standard. This is to be expected, but centres should use feedback from the first moderation experience to inform future standardisation activity. This should reduce the need to adjust marks in future. The whole moderation and marking process is supported by a web-based platform. Initially, the learner evidence is gathered digitally and uploaded onto the platform, where the centre can review, annotate and mark the learner's work. Once completed, the marks and evidence are then submitted through the platform to the moderator. The moderation process also takes place on the platform, so generally happens remotely, although for certain qualifications, this activity may also be supported by a moderation visit. Once moderation is completed, all final candidate marks will feed into the awarding process, where the boundary marks for pass, merit and distinction are set, ready for qualification results to be finalised. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, you can contact your business manager, or you will find more information on our website, www.cityandguilds.com/techback.